Hi, my friends. I have a book which I could download on the iPad, and it's called Little Truck. Okay, so let's read the story. Look, Little Truck is on his way. Ooh, Little Truck is fast. Little Truck keeps going. Be careful, Little Truck, not so fast. Little Truck is climbing. Little Truck. Uh-oh, now Little Truck is slowing down. I'll give you a push, Little Truck. Little Truck is speeding up again. Be careful, Little Truck, it's dark in there. I see the pink Little Truck. Where did Little Truck go? Are you okay, Little Truck? Oh, there you are. Sweet dreams, Little Truck. It's time to go home. The end. Thank you. And it was fun reading the book with all of you. Miss you all. Bye.